Okay, let's review our knowledge about the qi in Chinese medicine. Number one, what is qi primarily described as in TCM?
In
The
TCM,
fundamental substance and concept
concept of the universe. Yes.
Qi is
Pangkalatan.
what in relation to blood?
Yang,
Yang.
Qi is yin relative to which substance?
Shen,
Yes.
Shen.
Which best describes qi?
dynamic and transformative.
Yes. Qi is said to be
Both
Both material
material
and
and
immaterial.
very good. Which of the following is not a property of qi?
Not property.
static nature.
Static nature.
Which qi is most difficult to translate because
Difficult. It has
It has
multiple definitions of
multiple definitions.
qi forms the basis of
All vitals. All vitals of the cell.
all vitals of gas and function.
Functions.
qi can best be
Qi.
compared to
Compared to
Wind.
wind.
invisible but observable two effects.
Wow, talagang kompleto. In TCM philosophy, qi represents
Qi,
Both
both structure and function. That is Qi.
how many main functions of qi are described?
Factors. Six.
Six. Which is not a function of qi?
Destroying.
Destroying.
Transformation refers to
Attend ito, conversions
Conversion
of
of
substances.
substances.
very good. Which qi is mainly responsible for transformation?
Transformation. Buyuan Qi.
Yes, yuan qi. Transportation of substances depends on
Qi.
qi movement includes all except
Circular only.
okay. Warming function is mainly attributed to
Warming. Yang Qi.
yang qi. Holding function prevents
Pagholding. Leakage of substances to thirsty.
raising function is mainly performed by
Raising. Qi.
very slow. Protective function is performed by
Protective Wei Qi.
yuan qi is also known as
Original Qi.
yuan qi originates from
Yuan Qi. Kidney.
yes. Yan qi is derived from
Jing essence.
oh, completo. Yan qi is transformed by
Mingmen.
wow. Yan qi is distributed via
Sanjiao.
yes, wow, very good. Yan qi functions include
Motivating activity. Letter B.
Yan qi is the basis of
Yang Qi. Kidney Qi.
Yan qi helps transform
Transfer pagwan Qi.
into Chen.
Food Qi.
Yan qi is closely related to
Kidney Yang.
Yan qi tonification points include
Hindi ko alam.
uy, dapat alam mo.
Nakalimutan ko rin to.
Ren 4. Kuchi is derived from
Food and drink niya pag Gucci.
Kuchi is considered
Horse.
Kuchi is transformed by
Gucci. Maging spleen. TNT.
Kuchi combines with Tachi to form
Qi. Magiging ano to? Zongqi.
Songqi is located in
Lungs. Chest.
very good. Zongqi supports
Zongqi respiration and heartbeat.
very good. Weak Zongqi may cause
We called extremity. Malalamig.
very good. Zongqi is also called
Zongqi.
pectoral qi. Zongqi gathers in
Upper jaw.
A key
Middle.
point for Zongqi is,
Zongqi,
Ren
Ren
17.
17.
don't forget Ren 17.
Ren 4, Ren 17.
Ren 17 lang 9. Yeah.
For good for cough.
Yeah. Chenqi
Ren 17.
from
Zongqi transfer by Yuan-Qi.
yes. Wow. Chenqi is
Zengqi. Zongqi transfer by Yuan-Qi.
ay, ano ka?
Zengqi, dito mag-verify na to eh.
Refined and
Refined
usable.
and usable.
Refined and usable. Chenqi divides into
Yin
Zengqi
and
mga
wei.
habit. Oo nga, this best C,
Yeah.
tsaka food.
is
Nourishing.
very good.
Nourishing.
Qi circulates.
Inside the channels.
Wei Qi circulates.
Skin and
Between
muscles.
skin and
Wow.
muscles. Dependent key.
Yeah.
Wei Qi function includes
Protecting the body.
Protecting body.
Wei Qi controls.
Control pores and
sweating.
sweating.
Weak Wei Qi leads to
Frequent
Illness.
eating.
frequent illness. Wei Qi circulates how many times daily?
Daily 50.
Wow, grabe. 50 times. Zheng Qi refers
Bongga.
to
Zengqi. Anti-pathogenic qi of the body. C.
Zheng Qi includes all except
Deficiency. Qi.
Pathogenic qi.
yeah, tier
Pathogenic.
letter D.
Pathogen qi.
Comparable to
Immune
immune
system.
Immune system.
Zhong
Bongga.
Zhong na to ha. Zhong Qi refers to
Middle
Middle
jaw,
jaw.
skin and stomach.
wow. Zhong Qi primarily relates to
TNT.
Transformation, transportation, TNT.
saan yung isa? TNT. Okay. Simon.
TNT.
Zhang Fu Qi Qi refers to
Organ function
Organ
activity.
function.
yes. Qinglo Qi Qi
Inlo. Channel qi.
Channel Qi.
Channel.
Channel Qi mainly flows in
Meridians.
organ Qi is defined based on
Function.
Function.
function. Which Qi represents the sum of organ activity?
Zhangfu.
Tama, Zangpo, qi.
Xie Qi is defined as
Pathogenic.
Pathogenic qi.
Qi. Xie Qi is the opposite of
Zeng qi.
Zheng Qi. Which is an example of Xie Qi?
Dampness.
Yes.
Dampness. Xie Qi can arise from
Both
Pwede siya both internal and external
Internal.
causes.
external Xie Qi includes
climatic.
factor.
internal Xie Qi can result from
Organ balance.
balance. Pathological heat differs from physiological heat because it
Pag sabi na damage na yung yin.
Damages.
damages yin. Dampness at Xie Qi primarily causes
Obstruction.
Obstruction.
Xie Qi has
The Zhangqi
Only
has
harmful effect.
harmful effect.
only harmful effects. Wei Qi acts as
First line of
This
defense.
time of defense.
Qi production begins in the
Chip. Lower jaw.
Middle.
wow,
Middle.
middle, hindi
Lower
Lower
jaw.
jaw.
Kidney.
Lower
Tapos
jaw
spleen
from-
saka ano.
ba?
Okay, okay.
Wait. Qi. Okay.
Pre-heaven Qi originates from
Pre-heaven chi. Di sa kidney, di ba? Jing. Jing.
Essence.
Essence. Nasa kidney yan.
O7 Qi comes from
Food and air.
Food and air.
Aquarian. Aquar tsaka.
so even if you eat the right
Aqua.
food but your air is not clean, ganun pa rin. Which organ is called the pre-heaven root of Qi?
Kidney.
Kidney.
Which organ is called post-heaven root of Qi?
Spleen.
Spleen.
And Stomach.
Function in chi production is
Rat and ripen
Rat and
food.
ripen.
the skin
Oo.
function is to
TNT.
Transform and
Tama.
transport.
the lung contributes by
Inhaling,
Inhaling
touching.
that.
nag-i-inhale ba kayo?
Yes.
Yes, meditation.
Tachi refers to
Air.
Touching air.
Clear.
then chi is produced in the
Upper.
Up and down.
yes.
Thank you.
Qing transforms into
Yanqi.
Original source, Yuan Chi.
very good. Kuchi is transformed into blood by
Heart.
yes, heart. Yan Qi transforms
Transform the Song Chi to Zen Chi.
Papangit. Ying Qi is closely related to
Blood.
Blood.
blood. Wei Qi is closely related to
Gene fluids.
yes. Zong Qi assists
Song Chi respiration and circulation.
Yan Qi and Zong Qi relationship is
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal.
yes, reciprocal. Give and take. Qi and blood relationship is
Interdependent.
Independent.
Qi transforms into
Multiple substances.
yeah.
Yeah.
Which is the most refined form of Qi?
Refined Chi.
Zen.
Zen
Define
Chi.
chi is
Zen.
Yanqi.
Zen Chi.
Chi.
Most
Sumagot
refined.
ni Yan Qi.
Good Chi.
Define.
Pinaka-refined dyan, Qi. Weak spleen Qi leads to
Pure transformation.
Transformation.
weak Wei Qi leads to
Weak. Frequent colds.
Frequent colds.
weak Zong Qi may cause
Weak boys.
noise. Qi stagnation refers to
Improper movement.
rebellious Qi refers to
Rebellious. Moving in wrong direction.
Qi deficiency leads to
Fatigue.
Fatigue.
the Sanjiao
Tama.
includes
Tanjao. Chi distribution.
Distribution.
Qi is best understood as
Dynamic process.
dynamic process. In TCM, everything is
Chi.
Qi. The best summary of Qi is
Both
Matter, energy, and transformation.
very good. Congratulations, everyone. I hope you had fun. See you again next time. Galing.
Thank you, Doc.